Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install the necessary dependencies to add a new repository by running the following command. Next, add the CRAN repository to your system using the following command. Next step is to install R by typing the following command. The installation might take a few minutes to complete. Once completed, verify it with the following command. That's it. Now you can start work with it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.